Hey, today I'll show you the best alternative to the LiveNetTV application in 2026. It's gonna be an amazing app with live TV as well as live sports. And the whole setup of this application is pretty easy too. The very first step is you need to get that app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search on your device, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us right there on the screen. Click Downloader, and here is that orange application, which you need to get. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader, we have to go to the settings. So let's go to menu, go to the settings, then you have to open My Fire TV, and the next step is turning on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see now, for me at the bottom it says no need. You are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So when you go back, you will finally see those settings right here. Open them, then you need to make sure to turn on 8-bit debugging. After that, go into installation of unknown apps, and from here just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we head back to the list of apps on your device, we open it, and now there is a Downloader which we've got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They've got a great app for Fire Sticks, Droid TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Poland right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your device. Here we go. Then let's go to Downloader. Open up that application right here. And now here at the top, there is that search bar. So let's open the search bar. Here we go. And now inside you will need to enter a code. So the code is gonna be 9869273. So again, 9869273. That is the code you will have to enter. Then of course you need to click on next. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about fire sticks. In a couple of moments, the download will start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. So the app was downloaded, then you click install and wait a bit until the installation process is also fully finished. After that, don't click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because this way you'll get that option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your Fire Stick device. So click on delete and then delete once again to save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick, which is pretty important because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then we go back to a list of applications on the Fire TV stick, and here at the back of the list you will find this new app which we just got. So first of all, now I would recommend you to hold down the middle button on your remote. Hold it down and this menu will appear on the right side. Click on move to front, and that way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, if you don't have a VPN yet, you can use my link below this video to get 3 months of VPN free of charge. And then we can freely go and open up this new application which we just got. And now I had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. And basically, it is an amazing application for everything live TV and live sports related. So there are live events from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, Europe, and so on. So I hope you will enjoy it, and as always, see you next time. Bye bye.